लोगों को पता चले कि शार्दुल पंडित है कौन। यार मेरे को तो अभिनव शुक्ला बड़े मजेदार लगते हैं। पीपल विल प्रोबेबली नो who I am and that what I can do and what I can show, and that is why I'm going.
So Shardul, it's been a long wait to enter Bigg Boss 14. How has been that experience for you?
It has been very, very taxing because you are not speaking to anybody, you are not going out. I feel like Rapunzel at times, who's been quarantined in a palace, and I don't even have long hair that I can, throw down and get love. So yeah, been very difficult.
So tell me, how did Bigg Boss happen to you?
I was down and out. I had left the city and I was broken. And at that time, some strength came and I said, hey, you know what? I am not done yet. I am leaving the city because of financial reasons, but I'm available. If there is any good work for me, please let me know. And Bigg Boss traced that story and found me in Indore, and that's how it happened, and that's the reality of things.
But if you have to spin out advantages and disadvantages of entering after almost 3 weeks, what would that be?
Number one advantage is that Bigg Boss in the history has always picked up in the second week. It's TRP, whether people talk about it, whether it becomes a coffee table discussion, whether memes are getting made, whether stories are circulating. I have been given a good platform. I have a larger audience now who will watch my entry, and obviously because people are now invested in the show. Disadvantage, there are already groups inside. There are already people who have made their alliances. मतलब प्यार मोहब्बत नहीं भी हो रहा है तो भी जबरदस्ती का शुरू हो रहा है, तो हम क्या करें? हम चने खाएं.
Fans have kind of connected with a few contestants जो उन्हें पसंद आ रहे हैं. Do you feel that would also be a disadvantage for you because fans already have their favorites?
Fans have their favorites even before the season was launched. And let's be very, very honest, how do you know who's rooting for whom? Twitter trends, which can be bought for, which are bought for.
And since you rightly mentioned Shardul की पैसे से लोग खरीदते हैं, there is a buzz कि ये सब भी एक PR strategy था कहीं ना कहीं आपके लिए, that you leaving the city and you have no work. What do you have to answer to these naysayers who have been talking about you?
I don't know who these naysayers are, and I don't blame them because they don't know the reality. And I think I did put a screenshot of my bank balance on Instagram 2 weeks back. That answers it. Because I think I cannot buy journalists and PR with 1,000 rupees in my bank account.
This season we saw Toofani seniors जिनका बहुत ही mixed reaction आया है. Now you were waiting to enter the house, but as an audience, what did you have to say about this format? That these Toofani seniors were there mentoring and of course giving their insights.
Siddharth, Gohar and Hina are 3 contestants who have done fabulous in their seasons. Okay, they have a huge fan following and they bring a lot of viewership on the table. I'm very happy with seniors launching the show. क्योंकि देखो मेरा एम सिर्फ ये है कि लोगों को पता चले कि शार्दुल पंडित है कौन, लोग मुझे टीवी पे देखें, और वो एम करने के लिए, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर लॉन्चिंग सम न्यूकमर्स, पीपल एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स डू अप्रोच biggest of the biggest film stars to make a special appearance. Correct?
Right.
That's how people come to watch.
Given that you have a very witty nature, I would want you to describe each contestant in your own way. Rubina Dilak.
रुबीना दिलक बड़ी दिखलौट भाभी हैं, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ इतनी है कि वो भैया के साथ आई हैं, तो हम मतलब वो जो एक हर इंडियन लौंडे का सपना होता है ना कि सुंदर भाभी हो, उसके आजू बाजू घूमते रहो, कर नहीं सकते क्योंकि भैया साथ में लाए हैं.
Now the भैया अभिनव शुक्ला.
यार मेरे को तो अभिनव शुक्ला बड़े मजेदार लगते हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाई एवरीबॉडी इज सेइंग कि वो मुंह नहीं तोड़ रहे, वो ये नहीं कर रहे. क्यों मुंह तोड़ना है? दंगल में थोड़ना है.
ओके, जैस्मिन भसीन.
ओ बहुत क्यूट है यार. मतलब कौन है जो डिटर्जेंट पे रोता है? सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं जितने भी अपने बैग लेके जाऊंगा, जो मैंने इतने दिन होटल में मैंने लॉन्ड्री नहीं कराई है, मैं उसको जाके बोलूंगा कि ये कपड़े धोने हैं, जस्ट टू लाइक गेट दैट रिएक्शन आउट. इट्स लाइक ऐसा कोई दुख भी नहीं है, बट बहुत क्यूट लगती है, तो मुझे अच्छी लगती है. राहुल वैद्य के बारे में मेरा ओपिनियन अभी बन नहीं पाया, क्योंकि जो पहले बना था वो चेंज हो गया. बट आई हैव अ वार्निंग फॉर राहुल वैद्य दैट इफ ही थिंक्स ही इज द बेस्ट सिंगर, वेट टिल आई कम.
And the other singer, Jaan Kumar Sanu.
उनकी मैं मदद कर सकता हूँ. सो यू नो आई वाज ऑन रेडियो. मेरा काम होता था कि लोगों के लव और इन सबको मिलाना. तो अगर तो उनका दिल सच में निक्की तंबोली पे आया हुआ है, तो एक अकेला मैं हूँ जो वो कर सकता है.
Right. And
Nikki Tamboli should just keep doing what she's doing, because I think whether you like her or you don't like her, भाई वो लड़की की बात हर.
पवित्रा पुनिया.
अरे भाई, पवित्रा पुनिया की एंट्री से लॉकडाउन में जितने भी लौंडे थे उनकी लाइफ बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो चुकी है, क्योंकि एक तो भाई छूना मना है, पास आना मना है, ठीक है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बोल रखा है, ऊपर से कलर्स वालों ने टिप टिप बरसा पानी पे इनका मतलब डांस दिखा दिया. कब से इस प्यासी जमीन पर पानी की एक बूंद तक नहीं बरसी, और वहां पे पवित्रा पुनिया टिप टिप बरसा पानी पे डांस करके निकल गई है. एंड आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद पवित्रा पुनिया, एंड आई वांट टू टेल हर दैट यू नो ये जो उन्होंने पप्पी शप्पी दी है, ये थोड़ा रुक नहीं सकती थी.
लास्टली
एजाज इज अ वेरी गुड कंटेस्टेंट, बट आई जस्ट थिंक दैट मैं इनको हंसते हुए नहीं देखा, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू सी दैट.
What can we expect from Shardul Pandit on Bigg Boss 14?
I want to be the face of hope for everybody, because in my life it genuinely happened that I came from nowhere and I did get work in this industry, and then it ended because of nobody's fault, because of situations, and life changed again. So please have that faith, ask for help whenever you need, because it does come. That's one.
Yeah.
I want to bring in some fun in the house. I really want to bring some fun in the house, because it's just getting too heavy. Third, people will probably know who I am and that what I can do and what I can show, and that is why I'm going there.